Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'll be showing you guys a fast and effective home remedy on how to get rid of dandruff from your hair. Dandruff is a common condition, but it can be embarrassing and difficult to treat. But before you freak out, it's totally healthy and normal and everyone has it. But in some cases, there is an overproduction of excess skin which then sloughs off and becomes dandruff. So for this home remedy, you will need a full lemon, sea salt, a spray bottle and hot water. Cut the whole lemon into 4 halves and squeeze out the juice into a bowl. Make sure to squeeze out all of the juice with your hands or use a lemon squeezer. Then add 2 full teaspoons of sea salt and mix thoroughly. Make sure the sea salt is completely dissolved, then carefully deposit the remedy to the spray bottle. I'm using a teaspoon for this, but you can also use a funnel as it's easier. After that, add hot water to the bottle. I did not measure the amount of water that needs to be mixed in because I'll be using the entire remedy for my hair. But if you are sensitive to lemon, then you can add more water than I am adding, and you can keep the bottle in your fridge for your next use. Now that the remedy is ready, just make sure to give it a good shake before you spray it on your scalp. Spray it on your entire scalp and make sure your scalp is completely wet from the remedy. Cover all the areas like I'm doing it here. It's harder for me to part my hair and spray it, so I'm just making sure I spray everywhere and use my hands to massage the remedy into my scalp. Now there are many reasons of why I'm using a lemon for getting rid of dandruff. Lemon contains vitamin C and citric acid, which fights against fungus that is causing dandruff. It also moisturizes the scalp and helps in the shedding of dead skin cells. The acidic property of lemon balances the scalp's pH level, and its healing property reduces irritation and itching. Sea salt contains minerals including magnesium, calcium, sodium and potassium. It helps loosen and remove existing flakes while acting as an exfoliant and stimulating circulation for a healthy scalp. This ingredient also absorbs excess oil and moisture to prevent fungal growth and reduce or even completely get rid of dandruff. Keep massaging until you're sure that your scalp has soaked up the entire juice. Massaging your hair also helps increase blood flow to your scalp, which helps in increasing hair growth. So once you're done, you can go ahead and tie your hair. I don't need a hairband, so I'm just going to twist my hair into a bun. Spray the excess lemon water and then wait for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour for hair wash. Wash your hair normally with your hair shampoo and conditioner. Okay guys, so here is the end result. As you can see here, the dandruff is almost gone. Now obviously this remedy won't work just in one use. Do this method at least 3 times a week to get rid of the dandruff completely. But here is proof that this remedy works. Don't do it every day, otherwise lemon can dry out your scalp. Just twice or thrice a week is enough. This remedy also makes my hair super shiny. Some other tips to get rid of dandruff are to brush your hair regularly and properly. Make sure there are no tangles. Wash your hair with the anti-dandruff shampoo. You can wash your hair with anti-dandruff shampoo 4 to 5 days consistently. Then as soon as the dandruff is gone, use the anti-dandruff shampoo thrice a week along with this remedy. You will see results in no time. Also look at your diet. Make sure you have a balanced diet. Another tip I can give you is take no stress. Whatever problem you have going on right now, just remind yourself that it will pass. Nothing is permanent, not even us. Enjoy your life and smile. So with this, I'm ending this video. Please like this video if you want me to make more DIY videos like this. It helps me grow my channel. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to comment under this video. Happy Valentine's Day, take care and love you all.